think the other thing I'm looking forward to is those pylons there that are going into Inkley will be a distant memory in about 10 or 15 minutes. Hey Levi, I think I said it prior, I've never seen the Ashby looking so quiet. It's bank holiday weekend in May 2023, and the Crick boat show may have a lot to do with that over at Northampton. Do I favour being out on the canal here over going to places like that? Well, I think for me, boating is about being quiet. It's not about flotillas, and for me it's just about getting out there as early as you can in the morning, finding a nice spot after about 2 or 3 hours, and then mooring yourself up. That's what it is for me. Why wouldn't it be? Just look at this. So for those of you that don't know, when a boat comes towards you, it comes to you on its left, you go over to the right, and this is the Ashby Canal, and I've got a deep draft on my boat, which means I could be very easily grounded over there on the right hand side, port side, starboard side, you know, but the fact that it's quiet largely on the canals because there's a festival on it at Crick, as I've mentioned. I'm sticking to the middle. It's the safest place to be. You avoid all the silt that builds up either side of the canal. As you can appreciate, all this foliage that comes down in winter or on the advent of winter each year, quite a lot of it settles at the bottom, and with CRT having limited funds to dredge these canals, most of it is tendered out to places like, or companies like the Rotherham Group. You can imagine how expensive that is, and dredging only takes place where it's absolutely necessary. Basically, that was a long-winded way of saying I could get stuck because I've got a deep draft on the Ashby Canal. I'm doing about 2 miles an hour. I am really going slow. I mean, I don't think I can go any slower. If I go any slower, I'll be on tick over, which will be about 1.5 miles per hour. I don't want to go fast, I just want to take it nice and slow. So Bridge 21, Spinney Bank Farm Shop's not very far away from here. I like the sign just beyond this. There's a busy road above, quite a lot of beeping horns. But take a look at this, slow. A good use of rebar there. You see that? Good use of rebar, and they mean it. They really mean it. When they say slow, they really mean it. So the barge moorings, believe it or not, when I was last up here, I got stuck here. I literally got stuck here. Don't know what was in the water. I just got stuck. Just look at that. Yeah. Kind of nice that is. How cool is that? Is that a slipway there, look? That's good. And of course, no turning, please. Oh, look how nice this is. This is so nice. So you know if you're going fast, if these boats move suddenly, or you can hear squeaking of mooring pins, you are going too fast. I'm not. I'm going at the appropriate speed. This is tick over. There you go. He's doing a bit of grinding on a Sunday. On a Sunday. You missed it. You missed feeding time. Where else, eh? Where else but on the towpath? Yeah, I'm just going for a walk. Another walk. Ooh, another relic fount, look. Get the wire brush on that. These chains are about 14 to 17 quid. So whenever you lose something, you always find something, I find. Winding Old Bridge 22, the dog hotel over there. Nice. On his way to Stoke Golding now. Canadian geese. Hundreds of them. Cheers. Bridge 23 and farm shops beneath Bank Farm Shop. Closed on a Sundays for future reference, even during bank holiday weekend. There's the shop down there, look. Closed on a Sunday. Coming into Stoke Golding now. Ashby Boat Centre, maintenance sheds, blacking, general repairs, moorings, you name it, this little place has got it all. Hey up, Mum, looking after your brood. Oh, you've got 2 yellow chicks there. Aren't you good? Ashby Boat Company, Stoke Golding. Bosworth. One in the paint shop. This is just part of the Ashby Boat Company. Some on the other side, on the towpath side. Just make out in there, looks like there's a boat having some windows put in. And there's some of the hire boats here. I mean, just look at the hire boats, they look really the business. Really nice. Ours isn't, of course, but if you're ever thinking of buying a boat, get an ex-hire boat. They're absolutely equipped with everything. That's one side of Stoke Golding Ashby Boat Company. Nice moored boats. Lovely. Oh yes, we'll be coming here. Tomlinson's farm shop is just off the previous bridge we've just gone past, so nice, very nice. Slipway and wet dock, you've got blacking there, look, that building there's for blacking. No turning. Basically, they don't want you doing a 3-point turn in the marina mouth. And then more moorings up here. It's nice. You know, the sight of all the infrastructure never ceases to amaze me. I watched a bridge being demolished on the Midland Main Line recently. It was heartbreaking. Heartbreaking. Outside Stoke Golding now. Got some 2 days moorings here. But I guess if you are a constant cruiser and you're looking to anchor up, I reckon in winter you probably might have to look into it, but you might get a couple of weeks down here, I would have thought. Solid. Stoke Golding visitor moorings on the Ashby Canal. Also, you can park your car and you can go for a walk along the towpath. Got some nice moorings around here at Stoke Golding. Nothing but the blues, almost. Thank God they said that, because I've never had the blues living on the canals. Alright, let's see if I get this right. So, all the bridges on the Ashby Canal are wide, so they would take a wide beam boat. However, those wide beam boats were actually coal boats that came down from places like Shackleton and some of the mines up at Moira. The towpaths have been made wider in recent years, and that's the reason why the towpaths come out as far as they do. Back in the day, they accommodated the coal boats, as I've just mentioned. But if you think I'm wrong, all comments welcome in the comment section down below. Thank you very much. What does the errand say about that? Yep, all comments, all comments. Signs of the Ashby being rather shallow. Corvette looks very dry. Tell that by the wood that's in there. Very dry. Just outside Dadlington now. Normally come this way to work in the mornings. A lot of beeping horns. Dadlington just over there. So now we're at Bridge 30, Dadlington, and this chappie here got his own YouTube channel. Look at that, nice. Ah dear, one day I could retire to a little place like that. embankment's come away, look. Crikey, there's lots of it on the Ashby. That one's not so bad. It's like I've misjudged this one a few times. So I've just met a boat on a blind curve, and he's just grounded a little bit. But I was going just over tick over speed. I've been come past a couple of boats and was able to bring my boat under control very quickly as soon as I saw him on the tight curve. One of the aspects of being on the Ashby Canal, a lot of tight curves and a lot of bridges where there's tight corners as well, so just bear that in mind if you're coming up here. Around bridges 30 to 32 can be quite tight, and you can run aground quite easily because it is very narrow because of lack of dredging. So Dadlington is that way, bridge 32, and Sutton Cheney is that way. So next stop, Sutton Cheney, just round this curve. Ooh. 1 miles per hour, okay, 1.2 miles per hour. That's almost as silly as the speed limit set on SPL sites, as if that's even possible. I'm doing about 2 miles an hour, if that's acceptable. I tell you, I did. I survived shit creek. Definitely a good atmosphere down here. Got some proper decent boats here, all different mix. Naughty girl is very naughty. There's a penalty notice on that boat. Oh dear. I'm sure they'll get it into order. Lovely boat like that, why wouldn't you? Billy Miller, you can be assured, I'm going dead slow. Lovely. Nice water lilies growing between the boats. Lovely. Some of the boat names are as interesting as the people that live on the boats. Just look at these. There's a massive variety of different boats along here. Every one a favourite to someone, I guess. A blossom caught in a spider's web. How cool is that? See that? War, me arches, war, war. So we're at Sutton Cheney, and look how nice this is. Right then, it's time for a latte, a piece of fruit cake at Mrs. Miggins' pie shop. Sutton Cheney Wharf. Yes. Busy today. Here we are, moored up down there, outside the old Sutton Wharf. And the iBoat here, or should I say the tour boat, has got into a right turnade. Nice, look at this, look how secure this place is. Oh yeah, he's down there, it was good, spoke to us. Oh yeah, forget Costa Coffee, this is what it's all about. We're boaters, this is what we do. Yeah, that's me screaming, you can hear me. Look at that little food hygiene number 5, lad. Oh yeah, nice. Well, after that, and then summing up, it's been a fantastic last couple of days. This is a site map of Bosworth battlefield. You can check that out in one of my other videos. Well, that's it, that's the video. Thank you very much indeed for watching. And of course, if you like what I'm doing here, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you were to do this with your favourite YouTube channel, if you were to do this with your favourite boating channel, I'm sure that they would appreciate it just as much as I do. And if you were to like this video, hit that bell for notifications, or even consider sharing this video, that really would help my channel grow. Thank you very much indeed once again. See you all again in the next video. Take care.